Hello students, today our theme is food for thought. The aims of our lesson: understand the meaning of the text independently, answer to the questions in accordance with the text, find necessary information in the text. Look at the picture. How do you think food is related to our brain? Посмотри на картинку и скажи: как ты думаешь, еда влияет на наш мозг? The next task. Следующее задание. Do you know which foods, drinks are related to our brain? Знаешь ли ты, какая еда и напитки влияют на работу нашего мозга? Watch a video to find out. Посмотри видео, чтобы узнать.
Food for thought. The brain is a complicated organ. It doesn't just need energy, but it needs lots of different chemicals, fats and minerals to keep everything working. A lot of these things only come from food, so if you're not eating the right things, it can have a bad effect on your brain. The brain works by sending electrical and chemical signals through special cells called neurons. The body needs amino acids to make these chemicals. These are found in high-protein foods such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Vegetarians and vegans can get amino acids from beans, soya, and seeds. The cells of the brain are made up of fatty acids. Brain cells start to break down if we don't replace these fatty acids. Omega-3 and omega-6 are the two essential fatty acids for the body. Omega-3 mainly comes from fish, like mackerel and sardines, while omega-6 comes from livers and dark green vegetables. Micronutrients such as zinc, iron, copper and sodium protect the brain from diseases. They can be found in fruit, vegetables and nuts. Overall, a diet rich in fruit, vegetables, seeds, nuts and oily fish, and low in red meat and sugar, is the best way to maintain a healthy body, mind and brain.
And now, listen and read the text for better understanding. Послушай и прочитай текст для лучшего понимания.
Food for thought. Have you ever had a week when you felt tired or sad and didn't know why? It might have been the food you ate. There is a strong connection between what you eat and how your brain works. For this reason, small changes in your diet can make a big difference to how you feel and function. The brain is a really complicated organ. It doesn't just need energy. It needs lots of different chemicals, fats and minerals to keep everything working. A lot of these things only come from food. So, if you're not eating the right things, it can have a bad effect on your brain. Making sure you're eating the right kinds of amino acids, fatty acids, and micronutrients can improve your memory, mood, and mental performance. The brain works by sending electrical and chemical signals through special cells called neurons. In order to make these chemicals, the body needs amino acids. These are found in foods which have lots of protein in them, such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. If you're a vegetarian or a vegan, you can get amino acids from beans, soya, and seeds. The most common substance in our brain is fat. But not just any kind of fat. The cells of the brain are made up of special fats called fatty acids. If we don't replace these fatty acids, then the brain cells start to break down. This means that the brain won't work so well, especially as we get older. there are two essential fatty acids for the body: omega-3 and omega-6. Omega-3 mainly comes from oily fish like mackerel and sardines, while omega-6 comes from liver and dark green vegetables. Finally, we need to have various micronutrients like zinc, iron, copper, and sodium. These protect the brain from diseases and can be found in fruit, vegetables, and nuts. Overall, the most important thing is to eat a wide variety of different foods. A diet rich in fruit, vegetables, seeds, nuts, and oily fish, and low in red meat and sugar, is the best way to maintain a healthy body, mind, and brain.
The next task. Read the sentences and choose the correct answer A, B or C. Прочитай предложение и выбери один правильный ответ A, B или C. Amino acids are essential for A. Making the chemicals that send signals to the brain. B. Replacing the brain cells. C. Protecting the brain from diseases. The correct answer is A. The next question. Omega-3 and omega-6 are the two essential A. Amino acids. B. Micronutrients. C. Fatty acids. Choose only one correct answer. The correct answer is C. And the last question. A healthy diet for your brain is low in A. Fruit and vegetables. B. Zinc, iron, copper and sodium. C. Red meat and sugar. Choose only one correct answer. The correct answer is C. And now tasks for independent study of the theme. Теперь перейдем к заданиям для самостоятельного изучения темы. Только что вы все внимательно посмотрели видео, послушали и прочитали текст про влияние еды на наш мозг. Теперь для каждого из вас есть индивидуальное задание. Task number 1. Задание первое. Mark the sentences as true or false in accordance with the text. Отметьте предложение правда или неправда в соответствии с текстом. And task number 2. Задание второе. Find unknown for you words in the text. Find a translation of these words and write them in your dictionary copybook. Найдите неизвестные для себя слова, найдите их перевод в словаре, запишите эти слова в словарную тетрадь. Данное задание нужно выполнить в своих тетрадях письменно, сфотографировать и отправить мне личным сообщением в WhatsApp сегодня до 18 часов вечера. У вас обязательно получится. Всем удачи, жду ваших работ. Goodbye.